Welcome to Smart Technical and Engineering YouTube channel. Today we will present the types of the socket using for residential building. Please continue to watch until to the end of the video. Coupler or socket. Reduced socket. 90-degree elbow. 45-degree elbow. Reduce elbow. Valve elbow. Faucet elbow. Equal T. Reduce T. Threaded T. Ball valve. Foot valve. Valve socket. Faucet socket. Valve plug. End cap cover. Nipple. Bushing. Union. Saddle. Brass threaded faucet socket. Brass threaded faucet elbow. Brass threaded faucet T. Hose barb connector. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe our Smart Technical and Engineering Facebook page and YouTube channel for more about technical and engineering.